Good morning, dear students. Today we are in the second chapter and we are going to see northern mountains of India. The mountain ranges located in the north of India are called the northern mountains. Why they are known as the northern mountains? Just because the mountains are located in the northern part of India. Because of that, it is known as the northern mountains. Then these northern mountains include the Himalayas, the Karakoram and the northeastern mountain ranges. Then here you can see Karakoram range. Then that is in the north part of India. Okay, we can find the north part of India that Karakoram range is located. Then we can divide the Himalayas into three parallel ranges. Then first one is Western Himalaya, then second is Central Himalaya, and third is Eastern Himalaya. Okay, first then Western Himalaya is shown in a light green color, then Central Himalaya shown in blue, then Eastern Himalaya, then it's light orange color you can see there. Then the Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. In the world, Himalayan range is the highest mountain. Then many highest mountain peaks of the world are located in the northern mountains. Mount Everest is the highest peak, while K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. Why or how it is known as or how it got that name, Godwin Austen? Okay, it receives its name from Henry Havisham Godwin Austen. He is an early explorer of this region. K2 was originally named Mount Godwin Austen in his honor. Then, an explorer is someone who travels to places about which very little is known in order to discover what is there. Okay, that is the meaning of explorer. Then, Godwin Austen, he was an explorer. Okay, then next, here you can see highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak and that is in a Himalayan mountain range and it is located between Nepal and Tibet. Then next, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. Then the Himalayas. Himalaya is a Sanskrit word which means abode of snow. A large part of these mountains remains covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayan range consists of some of the highest peaks in the world. Okay, then why it is known as abode of snow? Because these mountains remains covered with the snow throughout the year. I think it's clear because these mountains covered with the snow throughout the year. Then the Himalayan range has three parallel ranges, or the Himalayas can be divided into three parallel ranges. And first one is the Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri. Then the second, the Middle Himalayas, also known as Himachal. And the third range, the Outer Himalayas, and it is also known as Shivaliks. Then Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953 then Tenzing Norgay of Nepal, then Edmund Hillary of New Zealand by the first men to climb it in 1953. Then the first Indian woman to conquer Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal. Then many other mountaineers have climbed Mount Everest since then. Then here you can see Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya and Shivaliks. Then first one we are going to see the Greater Himalayan range, and it also known as Himadri. It is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. The peaks of this range are always covered with snow, therefore they give rise to a number of glaciers. Then what is the meaning of glacier? Glaciers are slow-moving rivers of ice. Then several rivers such as Ganga, then Indus, Brahmaputra and Yamuna originate from these glaciers. And the rivers Ganga and Yamuna originate from the Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers respectively. Okay, here you can see then that Yamuna, then Brahmaputra and Satluj, then Indus also. Then here in this picture you can see there Yamunotri and Gangotri glacier. The Ganga river starts from the Gangotri glacier and the Yamuna starts from the Yamunotri glacier. Okay, this is the Yamunotri glacier, and here also you can see Gangotri glacier. Then next parallel range is the Middle Himalayan range, and it also known as Himachal. It is situated to the south of the Greater Himalayas. The peaks of this range are not as high as the Greater Himalayas. Then some of them are still covered with snow. This range consists of forest-covered mountains and fertile valleys. A valley is a low-lying area between two hills or mountains. Some of the major valleys of the Middle Himalayan range are Kangra and Nainital. There are many beautiful hill stations in the Middle Himalayan range like Mussoorie, Shimla, Kulu and Manali. Then this is a valley. Then here you can see Nainital, that is in Uttarakhand. Then Kangra, that is in Himachal Pradesh. The next one is the Outer Himalayan range, and it also known as Shivalik. It is the southernmost range of the Himalayas, and it is also the lowest range of the Himalayas. Then it has some speciality, and the foothills of the Himalayas called Shivaliks have thick forests. Then these forests are home to many wild animals. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.